What else do you have to do? You gotta just start investing. Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to talk about my dividend and growth investing portfolio. What I'm going to do today is just to talk about a few things and how I'm managing this portfolio moving forward. You guys can go and check out my previous videos. I've been investing in this portfolio since it was like $500 and I've been doing videos about it. Recently, I've been just staying focused on the Turo businesses. So now I'm able to focus a little bit more on my portfolio and just work all of the things that I'm doing in order for me to make money. So let's get into it. This is strongly a dividend and growth investing portfolio. It's more on the conservative side when it comes to the dividend, and the growth, that aspect of this portfolio is mainly a company like Tesla. That's what I consider growth. Let's look over the dividend part first and then we'll talk about the growth later. Okay, so as you guys can see, so far we've earned about $3,400 in dividend ever since the inception of the portfolio, which was in 2020. So now we're in 2023. I've had this portfolio over 3 years and I've just been saving money in there and putting money and investing. I've had some losses in this ones here, but I do have some gains as well. So let's just run through the portfolio. Today, the portfolio earned $18 and it's up just a tiny little bit. In 1 week, we've earned $32 and we're down 0.5%. In 1 month, we've earned $254. So this is a pretty big month. The portfolio generated $254. That's a good amount, and the portfolio is up 10,000. If you look in the past 3 months, we've earned $568 and the portfolio is up 12,000. In the past year, well, year to date, from January till now that I'm recording, which is in the end of June, we've earned almost $900 and the portfolio is up by 24,000. If you look at the past year meaning June 30th, we've earned 1,742 and 10,000. All time, we've earned $3,434, up 13% in 3 years. Now that might be a little bit on the low side. It's because 2 years ago, I decided to add crypto into the mix. I decided to add Profit Team, which is a mastermind group, a group of my friends. We all basically talk about stocks and we pick stock and we're just trying to create a portfolio of stock and see how it would perform. And then I invested here with ARK Invest. But those investments have been really bad. What I've decided to do with this portfolio is to basically look through each and every single sector and I want to reduce them. What I mean by that is the sectors that are not performing well, I'm gonna just cut it out and sell it. We have telecom. I've had telecom for a while. It hasn't been performing well, so I'm gonna sell it. Some sector of gaming hasn't been performing well, so I might sell some, or I might keep it. I'm still thinking about it, but I'm gonna sell for sure. I'm gonna be selling the telecom sector and just get out of it. It hasn't been great, even though AT&T and Verizon, all these companies were like the darlings of dividend, but they just don't grow at all. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna sell it and use that money to invest into other things that I believe would have a better earning power. Like for example, I could put that money into the dividend, my monthly income dividend sector here. It pays very well in terms of dividend. I've had it since 2001 and it has returned a very nice dividend, even though the growth hasn't been that much because it's just a placeholder to make money, right? So the growth would be extra. But what I'm doing with this portfolio is I'm getting more involved. So I'm not using the automated feature anymore. So I'm getting more involved now in terms of what I'm doing and how I'm going to be managing the portfolio. I'm going to be hands-on with the portfolio, doing research about which companies to put money in, which company not to put money in, stuff like that. So I'm going to be looking through every single one of this sector here. Those ones that are not performing well, I'll sell them off. I'll keep the money, put it into other opportunities that I think the money will grow faster in that. So that is the general overview of what I want to talk about in today's video. An update of the portfolio, so you can see how the portfolio has been doing, the performance and everything, and then we'll just go from there. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a lot more video in regards to this dividend and growth investing portfolio. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. We're almost at 1,000. If you are watching this video and you want to see my progress, check out my channel. You see what I'm about. Go ahead and subscribe. Really appreciate you for that. So yeah, that is it for today's video. This is just a quick update. So that is it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate you. Until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.